Here's a chance. Here's a shot. It's in! He scores!
Once he gets in that close, you know it's going to be a deke. He sells the shot, though. The goalie bites on it. He goes to the forehand. Makes no mistake to put it in the net.
Play back underway. Oh, and a nice little move. Ahead of steam now towards the front. And makes the save. A chance on goal. Scores!
Slicker than a can of grease. Matter of fact, it was slicker than some oil. That's why they why it's a goal for the Oilers.
Oil slick or slick oil, you think?
Oil slick sounds real slick.
Really?
Talking about
Oftentimes the goalie will drop in the butterfly, take the chance that he's got everything covered. Not so here. This is up over the glove. It's a beautiful shot.
From point blank, scores! Johnny Gaudreau!
Once you get the goalie down, you better not give him another chance. The shooter sticks this right up into the top of the net. Perfect goal.
Holds the puck at the line. Quick feed, and he scores! What a shot!
Wow, he powders that on the one-timer. Really good timing to wait for the puck and then hammer it home.
Gains control of the puck here at the blue line. The 360 with the puck. Fires one on goal. Scores! The captain comes through!
That shot just overpowered him, I guess. He stopped most of it. It just trickled through and rolled into the net.
They've got numbers. Lets it go.
Oh, no, he didn't shake him up like that. He shook him and took him to the rack. Give me that.
What he said.
Back of the net.
Actually, James, it's amazing to me how many times an odd-man rush gets screwed up. They deliver this one perfectly, and they put one on the board.
Slides it across to Iafallo. On the doorstep, scores! Ajay Kopitar!
That's a quick one-timer right in front of the net. The pass is there. He's got no time to do anything with it, and he beats the goalie.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Quick shot, he scores!
Now you got to keep Kwon back. Trailing in the game, they get the equalizer. Man, it looks like a bus depot in front of the net. You know it's a tough one when you can't see the goalie. That means he can't see the puck.